So for this bike, converting it to an e-bike, the next thing I want to do is put the screen and the control interface on. Now this, the buttons will go right over here, and then I'll end up putting this guy right there. Now, that being said, I'm sure you could now see the issue with that. To put it there, that's right where the triple tree is. So, triple tree ain't gonna work, is it? So, I need to make a new mount for it so I can actually mount it there. And in addition to that, this black doesn't match that very well, so I think I'll have to change that up too. So in order to get this fit in there, I'm going to have to knock these pins out to get these clamps off. It fits. This will actually work pretty darn good. So I've already got a nice square end here. Let's go from there. And alright, so those will go there like that. And then they will mount there. Yeah, looks good. However, I'm sure now you're seeing the next problem. I have no way to mount them there, do I? Alright, that looks nice and centered, nice and even. Alright. Now I want to tap those holes. And then we're just going to go nice and easy. Now it seems like I hit the bottom really quick and there's not threads all the way down because of that taper. That's where the bottoming tap comes in. So now he's already got threads to follow. Follow those down. And then he hits his end. There you go. Now those threads go darn near the bottom of the hole, minus the last couple that are a little tapered. Now it's ready to get installed, right? Wrong. This color isn't very flattering on here. So we're gonna have to change that and make it match the bike. It'll look killer when it matches the bike. Right now, I don't know. So first, I'm gonna cover the screen. Now let's peel the tape off. Now, just like all your paint, you want it to be a nice wet coat, because a wet coat means it's smooth finish. Smooth finish is going to help you get a nice gloss. So unless for some reason you don't want a nice gloss, which I couldn't imagine, all right, now the primer's dried, we're gonna go ahead and put our silver on it. And what this clear is gonna do is it's gonna help give a nice solid base for the red to stick to. So it has a nice finish. Smooth it out, give it a nice gloss coat, separate the silver from the red. So now I just hope I have enough. So I'm gonna try and minimize the amount of waste and the coats. Fuck. Just so you guys know how stressful this is right now. This can feels empty, and I have to hold it at just the right angle. There we go. It was enough. All right, and now you see with it run this way, that wire is long enough. I'm just gonna put it back here so it's not actually tangled with any. Run it like this. We'll probably put it there. This goes right in here now, and this just clamps it to the handlebars, so it ain't going nowhere. There we go, super tight. Yes, that ain't going anywhere. All right, now, finishing touch. Ooh boy, look at that. And there it is with the screen. Literally, I just need to clamp it somewhere, but I need to figure out where that somewhere is gonna be. It should be right there. Got a problem here with this about to hit that, this there. So if I could slide this that much further down, you know, 3/4 of an inch would be all right, but I got this and that. So I think my next best bet is honestly grind a little off the back of this so this can slide over, and then put this right there. Hoo hoo hoo. That's almost too much there. Dang. Now I gotta start taking off for this. Let's see if I can go right there. That's as far as I can really go. See, do I want it this way? Nope, let's go this way. Yep, so if that's as far down as it's gonna go, let's put it till it's right at it, at full throttle. Less interference. This one can still operate. This one gets its full range right before it hits. And I'll get these things packed in here as best I can. So let's see. Ah, crap. So there we go, got my controls, still can get my lights, still can get my blinker and stuff, got my throttle, got my shifters, got my brake, got my screen. Whew! That's a lot of stuff packed in there. And then I got my radio and stuff. That really is a lot of stuff. Well, that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's that. See you guys another day. That's it for today.